They say the Congress is dead. I understand why. When the tough times came, some of the leaders people trusted walked out just when the party needed them the most. And the people who voted for the Congress were left standing in the rain, wondering where it had gone. That hurt is real, and I will not pretend. But let's be honest about one thing: the Congress did not betray Meghalaya. The ones who left did. The workers didn't leave. The women didn't leave. The booth members did not leave. So many Congress families did not leave. A house isn't empty because a few people walked out of the front door. Look who's inside. That's why I'm still here. The Congress is not dead. We're still here. I contested, I lost, but I didn't leave because I still believe in this party and in the people who are it.